second part of the getting started video, and in this version I'm going to actually get started with using the Mac version. So here we are at that page on the website where we've been welcomed back, having responded to the email that was sent. And at this point what we can do is we can click on this button, which is the button requesting the Mac version. So I'll do that now, and that takes us to a place called Dropbox. We don't need to know anything about that. It's just a place where I happen to keep the installer file available, and here this is, let me just show you this. This is a picture of the little download window, and here you can see that I'm downloading the installer. So what I'm going to do now is just pause while that downloads. Okay, so here I am, and the file has been downloaded. It's arrived in my downloads file here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on it. It's a zip file, so it's a kind of compressed version of a folder, and so we're going to what's called unarchive it. So we'll do that now, and here's the little archive utility doing its job of unzipping or unarchiving this zip file. So this will take just a little moment to do, so we'll just wait and see what it has to say. Fine, and now what it's done, it's actually delivered us this folder, and I'm going to double click on the folder, and here we've got first of all a readme file, so we'll have a quick look at that. And here's this file that basically tells us what we're going to do as we install RemedyNotes on our Mac. Okay, so that's good. Now we'll just go back to where we were, and what we're going to do now is we're going to double click on the installer, and then the installer will place RemedyNotes on my Mac. So here we go. We double click, and it comes up with this message saying it's going to install a folder onto my documents folder, and so I'm going to say yes, I want to do that. Click on OK, and it says the installation was completed successfully. So excellent, that's very good news. Now it said that it was going to place the folder in my documents folder, so that's why I'm going to go looking for it. So I'm going to go to documents, and then here we've got RemedyNotes 1.0. That was the folder, so we go in there, and then here is the program itself, and what I can do is I can pop that down onto my dock at the bottom of the page, but for now I'm just going to open it up here. So we just open up RemedyNotes, and it comes up with this message. It says we're going to open it, and here we got an account name, so it's always going to be user, and to begin with the password is password, so I'll just put in PASSWORD, and then I will click on OK, and then the next thing that it wants me to do is to create my own password, because password is not particularly secure. So I put in a password, and I repeat that the second time just to confirm it. And now it's just having a little think about that, and now here we are actually inside RemedyNotes, and the first thing that we see in RemedyNotes is the license, and I encourage you to actually have a look at the license, read it even, and then if you're happy with it, then you can click on accept. And once we've accepted, then we're taken to this welcome screen, and basically it says we're on the demo. This demo mode, the start date, this is today's date, and the demo ends 28 days later. And there's a button invitingly placed here to allow me to purchase if I want to. But before you purchase, the thing is to just go and have a look. So we can click on Remedy and we can start looking at what we've got in the way of Remedy information. I won't take us any further than that. That's really just got you started.